On the island of Puerto Rico, a teacher gave Kermit and the rest of his class an interesting homework assignment. The teacher asked the students to find someone in need and then help that person with something meaningful. Kermit smiled and thought this was an easy task. He already enjoyed helping people, so all he needed then was someone to help. Some of the classmates got together after school and decided if they teamed up, they could help even more people. Perhaps they could feed all of the homeless people in their town. So one student volunteered to bring rice and beans, and another student to bring a side dish, and others said they would bring salad and juice. When the feeding day came, all the arrangements were ready. The students met in the town square, where many homeless people often sat all day and slept on the benches. The students set up a nice table and placed bowls of rice, beans, and other dishes on the table. One of the students brought 150 paper plates to serve the food. But quickly, Kermit and his friends noticed that they had way more plates than food. All the food they brought might only fill 50 paper plates. After all this effort, this wasn't going to be enough. As they searched for a solution, someone suggested that they pray for God to bless the meal and help them feed everyone who was hungry. So they prayed and asked God to bless the food and the people who were going to eat it. When they said amen, the homeless people started lining up. While several friends spooned large portions of food onto paper plates, Kermit walked around the town square, looking for people to invite to the meal. Soon, Kermit had invited everyone he could find. He came back to see if there was any food left. Surprisingly, the food was all gone, and so were all the paper plates. Not a single item was left. Even though they only had enough food for 50 people, they had given out 150 generous plates. Kermit and his friends saw a miracle that day. God had blessed and multiplied the food. The students were very happy, and they spoke excitedly about what had happened. They remembered the miracle of the 5 loaves and 2 fish, when Jesus prayed over the boys' small lunch and then used it to feed the 5,000. Some students believed that Jesus performed the same miracle for them that day, and they never forgot this incredible gift from heaven. Today, Kermit, who is now the pastor of 4 churches, gratefully remembers his homework assignment to help others. This shaped his life and motivated him to continue helping those in need. The members Kermit pastors feed rice and beans to 150 people every Sabbath, and his other church feeds a similar number on Thursdays. As these churches feed the hungry, the town's homeless people find more than food. They also encounter Jesus, the bread of life. Can you think of someone you can help? Share your ideas with your parents or Sabbath school teacher. God has a special plan for you.